Snowl. If you like to keep your gadgets clean and are tired of constantly wiping your fingerprints off the screen of your smartphone, tablet, and other devices, then Snowl is perfect for you. This gadget allows you to explore many possibilities from your gadgets, so it will appeal to everyone. Snowl is a smart ring. When you connect it to a device, it serves as a mouse, a joystick, a stylus, and of course, a finger. Snowl is a unique device that allows you to use the touchscreen of any gadget without actually touching it. Therefore, it's more convenient to play, deliver presentations, and control a TV without using a remote control or getting up from the sofa. The price starts at $99.